Hello friends, well, welcome to my Vlogmas, and today I'm going to spend some time with you and enjoy this nice warm fire together. I thought we would look at Prezi a little bit and get started in learning how to do it and use Prezi. There's like 4 different components to it, so I thought we would go in, probably get started with the video component. I like that one the best. So I have that pulled up here on my screen. Let me get it up here for you. And here we are. You're in my Prezi account right now. I've got a few things in here, but when you first log in, it kind of just looks like this. So you can see over here on the left, let me get my mouse over there for you so you can follow me a little bit. You've got Prezi Video, Prezi Design, and then Present. So the 4th one is when you go live. So it's kind of like Video Extreme, which is right up my alley. So I think I will start here with video. Now I'm going to click it, and when you go there, you get some choices here. You can import, you could do a quick recording, which means like you're using Prezi's app to record your video, which I don't use very much because I have Ecamm and it's better. So the other thing you can do is you can import PowerPoints, and you can also import Google Docs or Google Slides. So I'm not going to like jump into that one, but here is Prezi Design. Now let me kind of scroll this one a little bit for you. I've done a couple of designs here. So these are kind of like I took a PDF and I put it into Prezi and it made it presentable slides. So we'll work on that one a little bit later. And then this is Prezi Present. And this is my favorite one, because from Prezi Present I can go to Prezi Live, and that's the one I love the most. So they've got some templates that other creators have made that are free for use, like this one here on Captivating Presentations. I did not create that one, and I'm getting ready to start experimenting with it a little bit. But I did create this one, and I just presented it the other night. So I have a choice here. I can go in and I can play it, I can edit, I can make a video. So for right now, I'm going to choose to edit it. And that's going to bring us to the inside of that particular presentation, so I can show you. For right now, I'm just going to show you what it does, not necessarily how to create it, but just kind of how it functions. We'll do a creation video for you real soon here. Alright, so what I did was I created kind of an introductory overview. It's like a slide, if you will, but it's cooler than slides, because when you take this live, it kind of lays over the top of you in the camera live, so it gives amazing presentations. One thing I did here is I used a really dark background behind me. I wanted to pop the white lettering on here, and there's more than what you can see. Let me find it. See, yeah, like I've got white letters in this space, and I've also got white letters down here. So you can just run your clicker over. It's going to show you where your lettering is. So you guys can't read what it says, but when I go live with it against the dark background, you're going to be able to see all of those letters in vivid detail. and at the same time, you're going to be seeing me kind of layered behind them, if you think of it in terms of layers. If I had things appearing out here in front of me and that I could reference and make them move and all of that, and so it's kind of like almost like an AR experience, you know. So let me just kind of show you some of the things I did. So I just kind of came in here. I imported graphics. The way to do that is just come up here to the insert button, and you have a wide variety of things that you can import. I usually am importing images and texts, but look at all the stuff that you can bring in. I mean, that's crazy. I can bring in other videos, so I can play a video within my video, which is pretty cool. I can do animations. I haven't done a huge amount of animations other than the animation between scenes, so that's something I'm still playing with. But I bring in a lot of images and text, and I don't usually bring in audio unless I want background, but again, I'm using Ecamm, and I come, either I play my audio inside Ecamm, or when I'm done like recording this, I'll probably pull it into one of my video editors and throw some music in the background, whatever's appropriate, you know, for the season or whatever. So these are all created with images. This is my Bitmoji that I removed the background from, and just a graphic. This was a presentation on backpack video, and so I have pictures here of the backpack video and laptop to kind of, you know, emphasize what I'm talking about. But if you can imagine me live behind all of this and my background while this is being presented over the top of me, and that's such a cool feature that Prezi has. All right, well, let me show you some of the others. So it's kind of like when you click and you can go deeper. So I've got white lettering again, and even though this is a light blue, you can faintly see that, but when the black background shows up, that all is going to really, really pop. Any of these bright colors are going to really pop. So I have 3 different buttons here: go live, go remote, and then build a program. And these were all of the things that I was talking about in this presentation. So like when you click go live, now there you can see it's first, it ranks things in order, like in terms of what am I going to do, what action, what animation. So go live is the primary first button, and the second button will be to go remote, and the third button will be to build a program. Well, so it's set up right now that when you click that, it brings up this. So, and then I've got another button here that when you click that, it's going to go even a layer deeper and bring up this. Now on this one, I put in a dark background because I wanted to make sure that my viewers could see the lettering and see, really clearly read what I was saying. But where this white space is, all of that has me in the background live. So this is all layered over the top of me behind it, actually presenting live. So you kind of get the idea of what Prezi can do. Let me come on back out of here. And I just think it's one of the coolest presentation apps that we have available to us. And I just want you guys to know about it. So I'm going to leave that there for now. Just wanted to give you a little taste of behind the scenes on one of these. I think what I'd like to do next is show you how to build them. I would like to show you how to present them. It's a little tricky on some of the how to get it hooked up right, how it all interacts. So stay tuned for more educational videos from me on how Prezi works, how to put them together, and moving forward, I'm going to walk you through all the aspects of Prezi. So thanks for being here with me today. I couldn't do this without you. So if you like what you're seeing, go down below and click subscribe, and then click the bell so that when I put out new videos, you get the announcements, and you can come back and watch and learn the whole Prezi series. So for now, I'm going to say goodbye and happy Vlogmas.